Good morning, 5K. So today we're going to start off our day with talking about how many days there are in a week. You should know how many days are there in a week. 7. Let's sing. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now, my loves, if yesterday was Thursday with a TH, what day is it today? If yesterday was Thursday, what day is it today? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today is Friday. Say, today is Friday. Awesome. All right, my sweets. Now, how many months are there in a year? There are 12. You can stand 12 months in a year, and we are going to do our dance. Here we go. Are you ready? Set, go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Good job. You can have a seat. My loves, if yesterday was September 10th, what day is it today? If yesterday was September 10th, what number comes after 10? If you don't know, you can go back and count. Maybe start here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 11. You got it. Do you remember what the number 11 looks like? 11 is two number. After a 1 and a 0 would come a 1 and a 1. You got it. And if yesterday was a circle, what shape will it be today? Circle, square, circle, square, circle. The number 11, 1, 1, and it is the shape of a square. All right, if you want to get out your whiteboard that I gave you, you can do this with me. We are going to write our date. So what goes first when we write the date? We look up here and we always write our month first, don't we? What letter am I going to write first in September? Yeah, the letter S. Uppercase or lowercase? Uppercase. It's the name of the month. It's important. So uppercase S. What letter says E. You got it. What letter says p? Yeah, the letter P. Trace up and around. What letter says t? The letter T. So you're going to go top to bottom, across on that middle line. No tail, right? Another elephant. E. You got it. Over, up, and around. What letter says Letter M. So I'm going to pull down. Trace up on that same line I just made. Give it a bump. Trace up on that same line I just made. Give it a bump. All right. September. What letter says B? B. You got it. Down. Trace up and around. Awesome. September. What two letters say E and a R. You got it. E and R. Now, I have my month. Check. What do I write next? After my month, I look down here and I write the date, the number of today, which is the 11th. What number am I going to write first? A 1, top, 2, bottom, and another 1, top, 2, bottom, and a cute little, I say comma, comma. All right, I put my comma right down here on the bottom line. It's like a backwards C. All right, so we make our C's going the other way. We make our C's going this way. The comma is a backwards, almost like a C. I have my month, check. I have my date, check. I have my comma, check. And now I need my year. You got it. What goes first in my year? What number up there goes first? 2. So I'm going to curve around to the bottom, all the way to the bottom, stretch all the way to the bottom, slide to the right. What number goes second up there in my year? A 0, you got it. All the way to the bottom. Your numbers go from the top line all the way to the bottom line. 2, 0, what goes third up there? A 2. And what number goes fourth? A 0, you got it. All right, my loves, you can use your marker that you were writing with, or you can use a pencil. You can use whatever you would like to pretend that it is your microphone. So I want you to grab your microphone, and sometimes at school we go, because you got to get your voice ready, right? To say what the weather, to say what the date is. So good morning, Milwaukee. Before we do that, remember September 11th. Need the TH at the end, 11th. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is September 11th, 2020. Say, have a great day. So, get your brain. Good job remembering to say September and 11th. Now, my sweets, today for the pattern, we're going to be doing something different. We're just going to be counting. But that's still a pattern. And I'm going to tell you why in just a second. I want you to say these numbers with me. Say these numbers. Ready? Set, go. 0, 1, 2. We need to think about what comes next. So I told you we're not going to start over. We're not going to write 0 again. We're not doing an A, B, C pattern. We are doing a pattern that's counting. And here's why it's a pattern. 0 to 1. If there was a 0 right here, and we started at 0 and we hopped to number 1, how many hops would it be? 1. 1 hop. If we're at 1 and we hop to number 2, how many hops would we take? 1. So we are counting by ones. It's a pattern of counting one more, going up by 1. So it is a pattern because every time we're just hopping 1 more to the next number. 0, hop 1 more, 1. 1, hop 1 more to 2. 2, hop 1 more to 3. 3 would be 1 more hop. So we're going to write the number 3. Halfway around and around again. Count with me, ready? Go. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 more hop, 3, and you hop 1. 1 is the number 4. You got it. Down, slide right, and cut it in 2. What would go last? See if you can write it down. If you're writing this with me, see if you can write it by yourself. 4. And I hop 1 more, goes to 5. You got it. Down and around all the way to the bottom and give it a pat. All right, my loves, I want you to count with me. It should make sense. All right. Here we go. Ready, set, go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it. What would come next? After 5 comes 6. You got it. All right. If yesterday was day number 12 of school, I can scooch this down a little bit. What number is today? If yesterday was day number 12. Now maybe these numbers, these team numbers get a little tricky. Then start with a number that you know. If you don't know any of these ones yet, then start with 5. I bet you know 5 because you're 5 years old, right? So count with me. What would come next? Start at 5. Ready? Go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes. Now, do you know what a 13 looks like? I'm going to give you a little clue. Watch. a 1 and a 0, a 1 and a 1, a 1 and a 2, a 1 and a 3. It's a pattern. Yeah. Look, it's just like we're counting 0, 1, 2. So the last number will be a 3, but I need a 1 first. 1 and a 0, a 1 and a 1, a 1 and a 2, a 13 is a 1 and a 3. All of our teen numbers start with a 1. Even though we don't say 11-teen or 12-teen, it's just 11, 12. And then all of the rest of these numbers that start with a 1 have teen at the end. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right. We put up a new number tag, but we forgot to add a cube. We need to do that. How many cubes am I putting on? One more. It's one more day of school. So here's my cube. Chimney goes up. And what tower am I going to put this one on? Am I going to put it on this tower of 10 or on my tower of 2? The tower of 2, because my tower of 10 is full. When it gets up to 10, no more go on the top. So I'm going to put my cube on, chimney facing up, so we can count. We don't need to count all of these because we know how many are in there, right? When it gets to what number it's full, what number did we say? 10. So we know there's 10, then we start counting down here. 11, 12, 13. That's called counting on. When we know this has 10, we don't have to count each little one. 10, and then we keep counting. 11, 12, 13. So it matches. Now I need to color my 13th square. So I'm going to take my blue and color in one more square for the 13th day of school. And now I need your help up here on the board. I need to write how many 10s and 1s there are. Where can I look to help me know what numbers I write here? We don't have any 100s, so we're not writing anything there. But how many full towers of 10 do I have? Look, how many full towers that reach up to the top? One tower. This one's not full, and these are all empty. So I only have one full tower. I have one full 10. Say 110. So under 10s, I'm going to write the number 1. How many extra little 1s do I have? Let's count. Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 extra 1s. What number did I just make? Yeah, the number 13. They all match. 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. A 1 and a 3 is 13. 1, 10, and 3 1s. 1, 10, and 3 1s. We did it. All right, my loves, let's sing about the weather. I wonder what it's like out there today. Sing with me. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? I want you to tell the grown-up that is sitting next to you what the weather is like today. Say, I predict it's, because you want to talk in a complete sentence, and predict is a smart word for I think it's. What do you think it's like? What do you think it's like out today? You know, this is my favorite kind of day, and my phone said it was going to be this day, so I hope it is outside for you guys today. My phone said it was going to be. So I hope it's true. I hope it's actually a blue sky sunny day. These are my favorite kinds of days. Let's sing. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. All right, my sweets, I want you to look at our weather graph. This up here says weather. Every graph always has a name. Just like our graph last week of how children come to school, right? So, who has the most? When you look at our graph, who has the most? I hope you are seeing this. Or I do this sometimes too. Uppercase and lowercase. Tie. Yeah, I make a T For a tie, I see 1, 2 for the most. Who has the most? Sunny and Cloudy, because they both have 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They have the tallest. They have a tie for the most. And who has the second most? Who has the next tallest tower? After Sunny and Cloudy, who has the next tallest? Yep, Rainy. And who has the least? Snowy. And you know what? I'm okay with that. I don't want snow yet. I can wait till like December. You got it. All right. One more thing before math meeting is over, we need to review these 2 shapes. I want you to tell me, who am I? I have 4 sides that are all the same, and I have 4 angles. Who am I? I'm a square. Good job. Okay, now who am I? I have 0 sides and 0 angles. Who am I? Yeah, a circle. Good job, my sweets. All right, I'll see you soon for math and reading. Thanks for being such good listeners.